Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a special collaboration and it's called the Home Decor Luxe Club, VEDA Squad, and it is a close collab, and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. Okay, so make sure and jot down every Saturday in April, we are going to be having some great ideas for you, some decorating ideas, glam decor hauls, and you name it, we're going to have it every Saturday. I'm going to go ahead and give you those dates anyway. Like I said, it is every Saturday, and that's the 2nd, the 9th, the 16th, the 23rd, and the 30th. Okay, so the host of this collab, the main host is Glam Elegant Living, that's Lady Allie. Then we have Creations by Simone, The Rogers House, Amethyst Adventures, DIY Design by CCW, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that's me. Okay, so jumping into the video, here I have a decor cross that I'm decorating for you with items that I purchased mostly from the Dollar Tree. So the first thing that we're doing is we're painting everything in this beautiful color, beige. So we move those pieces over to the side and we're going to let those dry. Now what we're doing is we're making a bow, and I think I'm going to go ahead and cut a piece of lace to place over that cross. So here I am adding gems anywhere that I can add them. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you oldies and goodies, or those of you who have been with me from the beginning, or the ones that have been with me for a while, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. I really, truly love you. So here we are, we're going to start piecing everything together. This is my favorite part, guys. So we are almost done with this cross. I cannot wait to display it. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now we're going to move over to decorating my window with this beautiful cross. I started out by taking the pieces that were already there so that we can place the new pieces to decorate for Easter. It is a very cold day outside. You can see all of the branches moving as I'm cleaning this windowsill. So this is an absolutely beautiful bouquet, and I thought it would be perfect to decorate as I'm doing it for Easter and possibly keeping it there all through the spring. So this bouquet here I made with rose petals on the bottom, and then the very top of those roses have pearls. Absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to leave you to music as I continue to decorate this area. Okay, so I am done decorating here. I cannot wait for you to see the reveal. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. So, if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Make sure and head on over to that playlist so that you can see what these amazing women have created for you this week. Have an amazing day, guys.